Hi, my name's Darla. I'm with Keller Williams Diamond Partners out of Olathe, Kansas, owner of Midwest Living with Darla. I have this house that's going to be listed this Friday. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 walkout basement. We have 2 fireplaces and a 2-car garage. Fenced-in backyard with a beautiful back deck. House has many updates, including oak kitchen cabinets with a kitchen island and a separate dining room. House also has a newer roof with a 3-inch ice guard, newer HVAC, and new windows. You don't want to miss this. House is located here in KCK in a highly sought-out neighborhood. Contact me for your private tour.